Hello and welcome to our Origami Twisty Rose video. So we'll start with the bird base, and if you don't know what that is, don't worry, check out our video on bird base. So first fold the right flap over to the left as we're showing here. Then you want to fold the lower point just of the top flap only, fold that straight up. And you want to crease this fold well, make a nice sharp crease. Now flip the piece over and you repeat the last two steps. So again, the top flap fold left to right, right to left. And now that bottom point folds straight up. And make a nice sharp crease. Now unfold. And here's where it starts to get interesting. So you see this line going east-west here. We're going to fold that onto this north-south line. So take that right corner, fold it over like this so that those two lines line up. And crease well. We're going to do that 3 more times. So rotate the piece 90 degrees and fold the top down. Just like that. And now take that right corner and fold it over so it's on that north-south line. Okay, now 2 more times, so rotate 90 degrees, fold the top down, and then the right corner goes over to the center line. And again 90 degrees and 1 more time. So the top comes down. It's a little tricky at this point, so work slowly. And that right corner now needs to come over. Okay, so now the heart part's done, actually. It doesn't look anything near like a rose yet. So now we will turn the paper over. And each of those 4 points we're going to fold to the center. So fold and crease. And twice more. Now turn the paper back over, put it in one of your hands. If you're right-handed, put it in your left hand. And you see how there are 4 little pockets at the top there? So we're just going to grab a hold of those, the 4 fingers, and turn the top part clockwise. And the base of the figure, the base of the rose, will stay stationary while we're turning this top part, so we get a twisting effect. So you can see it's twisted there. Just put your fingers back in and twist some more. If you want a really tight twist, you can actually get in there with a pair of tweezers, grip the top and turn it. But that's pretty good for now. Now it doesn't look much like a rose yet because the corners are very sharp and we need to get rid of those corners. So what we do is we curl the tips of each petal, and this bamboo skewer is good for that. So we're just gripping the base of the petal and curling the tip over the skewer just like we're showing here. You could use other things like a knitting needle maybe. So we're just going to go around the entire rose, and everywhere we see a sharp corner we're going to do a curl over like this. And while you're doing this, don't worry if the twist that you made earlier starts to get a little bit undone. You can always go back at the end after doing all the curling and do some more twisting. So again, just everywhere you see a corner, just twist and keep going all the way around. And eventually you'll have a nice twisty rose.